Hey, what's up guys? Want to do a video on my impressions on the Remark Spec III exhaust that was installed on my Honda Civic Type R. Quick shout out though to Frank at HP AutoWorks who did the install about a month and a half ago, and super cool guy. Got the job done really fast, only took him about an hour, and yeah, really reasonably priced, so check out HP AutoWorks. But overall, the Remark Spec III exhaust has met my expectations. I really do enjoy it. And the version I went with is the resonated version. I'm glad I did go with that version because my first take when I did the startup after the install was it was very loud and very droney. So I can only imagine the amount of drone that I would have experienced, or that people do experience, with the non-resonated version. So that is one thing that I am happy about. Been driving the car for about a month and a half, and I don't know if my ears have just gotten used to it or what it is, but it's not as bad anymore. It's probably just because I've gotten used to it. But as far as performance-wise, you could definitely tell that the car spools up a lot quicker. It's a lot more linear. I still need to get it tuned. I'd like to get it tuned by December for the round 5 and 6 of VTEC Club, or is that round 4 and 5 VTEC Club? Nonetheless, before the VTEC Club track events in December, I do want to get it tuned and see how much power I'm making, make more and healthy power in terms of having a proper tune rather than having one of the Honda base maps. But all right, well, that's all I got for you guys today. Thanks for watching this video, and thanks for your interest. But my overall take on the Remark Spec III exhaust, I do recommend it. I think I mentioned in my last video I was going to go with the titanium exhaust, the Remark titanium exhaust, but couldn't muster up the $2,500. The Remark Spec III exhaust is definitely something that I do recommend. Thanks for watching, guys.